Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by priming the action. Clean the joint and remove dust so the compound bonds. Once done, apply a thin first coat of joint compound about 1/8 to 1/4 inch deep. This gives a bed for the tape. Next, center the 2 self-adhesive mesh tape over the seam and press it flat, no wrinkles. Make sure the tape overlaps corners slightly. This prevents open gaps. The reason is simple. A good foundation prevents bubbling and keeps edges smooth when you feather later. You now embed and feather the tape for strength and a smooth transition. First, load a 6 taping knife with compound and press along the tape, embedding it fully so no air pockets remain. Then smooth excess compound outward, feathering thinly beyond the tape edges to blend into the wall. Aim for a slightly raised center about 3/8 inch for later coats. Make sure to clean the knife often. Once dry, sand lightly with 120 grit to remove ridges and prepare for the next coat. You finish with 2 wider coats to hide the seam and create a flat surface. First, after drying, apply a second coat with an 8 knife, extending beyond the first feather. Once that dries, use a 10 knife for the final thin, wide feather. Sand smooth with 150 to 220 grit, then prime before painting to seal differences. If you see bubbles or cuts, cut out the damaged tape area, remove residue, reapply compound and new tape. This restores adhesion and prevents future popping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.